Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you the ultimate credit score building guide and how I achieved 730 in under a year and a half, which you guys should know is good and really close to excellent. I'm going to show you everything I did and the step-by-step guide I've made. Okay, as you can see right here, I had 735 at my peak. I'm at 720 right now. We'll get to that later. Basically, guys, all that matters are these 6 factors right here, the Hexagon of Truth. The 6 factors that determine your credit. You must maximize every single box in order for this to work. If not, have fun with a terrible score. Most important reasons, as you can see, are payment history, credit card use, and bankruptcy and stuff. Most people are not going to have to worry about the third box. And the top 3 are the most important. Bottom 3 you don't need to worry about really either. As you can see right there, I have 6 inquiries in the past few months. That's why mine went from a 730 to 720 right now, but it's temporary. Okay, so where to start is you need to have a debit card as your main card, a hub bank account for everything. It connects every credit card. Your deposit goes into this account, everything. You need to have one main account as your hub. And then you need to have that debit card pay your credit card bills or that checking account. So when you first get credit cards, you're going to want to max the benefits out. But in the first year or 2, you're barely going to be using it. So forget about the benefits. That's why if you're pressed for benefits, you need to get the Discover Cashback debit card because there's 1% back on everything, but 2% back the first year cashback. So having your main debit card account, set up auto pay with every single credit card you get. And if you can't figure it out, just call customer service and tell them to do it. So first step is if you haven't had a credit card, get the Discover It secured credit card. And if you've already had a credit card, just follow the Hexagon of Truth and what I'm about to say, and you'll slowly build up your score. But the Discover secured credit card, guys, isn't a real credit card. It's a fake credit card to show that you can pay bills. So you're going to put $1,000 or $2,000 into it, and it's like an upfront deposit. And then they'll give you a certain credit each month that you can spend, and you'll still have to pay the bill. So basically, I'll leave a link in the description for this, but you're going to want to obtain a secure credit card. It doesn't harm your credit. It's almost like a debit card, but it's not. It's very hard to explain, but this is a credit builder card, and this is exactly what I did. And what you're going to do is obtain the card, and at 7 months, they're going to determine if they can make it a real credit card or not. If you follow the Hexagon, they're going to make it a real card. So remember to turn on auto pay. And at 7 months, once your secured card becomes a credit card, you have to call again and turn on auto pay because it's a different account. So as you can see here, guys, under a year and a half, and I have 720, and I have 4 credit cards, Discover, and then I got the Apple card, and then I got the Chase Freedom Flex, and then I had the Citibank Custom 5% cash back. So let's talk about the Discover card one more time. You're going to need to get a secured card. Ideally, just do Discover. It worked for me. It will work for you. You're going to want to use 5 to 10% of your limit each month. I should have that somewhere in here. Let me find it. As you can see, my credit card use is at 6%. This means that if you have $1,000 in your account as your limit, your monthly limit, because your credit card limit means your monthly limit, that you only spend $60 a month. You need to keep it under 15%. Do not go above 15%. I did 5 to 10% on every card up until the past few months. That's because I have my cards now. I'm not worried about my score as much. 5 to 10%, guys. So if your limit's $500, you're only spending $25. That's 5% at the top of my head. So payment history, guys, is also the most important thing besides use. As long as you pay your bills on time, this is why you're barely going to use. You need to pay your bills. I have never missed a bill payment, guys. If I did, I'm sure my credit score would be in the 600s. But timeline, ideally, guys, is 7 months in, you have a real credit card. Your secured has turned into a real credit card. What you do is wait 1 to 4 months and apply to the Apple credit card or a similar score level card. All credit cards have a score level, as in this number back here, and Apple Card is 700 and below, or 650 to 700, and you can get it, which you should have after using the Discover Reel for 1 to 4 months. So get the Apple credit card, 5 to 10% of your limit. I had a limit of a few thousand, which was very lucky. They'll probably give you 2,000-3,000 as well. And I was only spending $100 a month on it. And then 5 to 8 months into the Apple card, I applied for the Chase Freedom Flex. Great credit card. No annual fee, 5% back. I'm going to make credit card videos, so don't worry about that. And then 3 to 5 months again, I got the Citibank. And as you can see, here's my timeline. 1 year, 4 months. This is all from Credit Karma. You need to sign up for Credit Karma as well. And yeah, as you can see, I waited 5 months to get the Chase Freedom Flex, which is a great card. 5% back, no annual fee. So if you take anything from this video, guys, it's screenshot this, the Hexagon of Truth, and this is all that matters right here. Top 3. Credit age, you can't do anything about. Accounts, can't do anything about really, because you have to wait. Inquiries, that's applying for credit cards. I've applied for a lot of credit cards recently for business reasons, which temporarily hurts your credit score. Payment history, credit card use. Print it out, put it on your wall, put it in your damn car. That's all you need to take from this video. So conclusion is, guys, pay on time, auto pay, and don't use a lot of your credit for the first 2 years. And drop a like if you guys enjoyed this video.